Why does concat series to DataFrame with index matching columns not work? I want to append a series to a DataFrame where series' index matches DataFrame's columns using pd.concat, but it gives me surprises. What I expected is of course. It really surprises me that pd.concat is not index columns aware. So is it true that if I want to concat a series as a new row to a df, then I can only use df.append instead?
Need DataFrame from series by to _frame and transpose. Detail. Or use setting with enlargement.
df.log1 equals sr will drop the column if it isn't in df. df will be like.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.